Welcome to the VIP Hotel. For reservations, you may call. Table reserved for us. These are their main dishes. They also have fried foods, salad, and pesto section. They also have lechon kawali.
Ladder doki kay kailangi murag every 3 days. Na ilang okay lang sa lighthouse kasi no.
Nang libak ka. Macaroni. Macaron with latte.
Ay, wala ka sabot na kay puro ka chicken. Kailan na ipapalito.
Unlimited ice cream.